Hey guys, optibotimus back with my part 2 video of my Transformers Universe Classics 2.0 Galvatron. Here he is in his robot mode. We'll rotate a full 360 degrees. The arm on this side will rotate a full 360 in and out of the body like so. It rotates at the bicep and 2 points of articulation on the elbow. His hand is very loose. This hand has a fist on it. This arm will rotate a full 360 degrees. It really doesn't have much other movement. I mean, it kind of does, but because of this big giant cannon, he's hindered. He bends at the elbow at 2 places, and he's got his big giant cannon, which isn't too bad. It doesn't look horrendous. His legs will move in and out of the body. They also move like so. They rotate all over the place. And his feet are kind of annoying. But as you can see, his feet are created by a front section here and this rear section. So he's a little bit hindered in terms of his posability. Plus, with this on the back, it makes him very top heavy. Very kind of, I don't like using the word kibbly, but that's really what he is. He's pretty kibbly. Now, the thing that I'm curious about, and I don't know how this works, these things on the back have feet. I don't know what they're for. I have no idea, because I did not get the instructions with him. So, I apologize for not being able to comment on that. However, since I do not know, I cannot comment. But fairly top heavy on his backside. He'll still pose and he'll still stand. It's not too bad. I don't mind too much, but the legs, you know, you get some problems with the feet. And like I said, the top heaviness in the back is quite obnoxious. Uh-oh. And here comes my kitty. Hey there, kitty. Hi. What's he doing? So we'll just leave her there. But overall, I mean, he's a decent looking figure, but again, very small. Let's compare him to Classics 2.0 Kitty Cat, who is just going to lay right in the camera right now.
Whoa, whoa, big kitty. Hi, big kitty.
Get out. So she's just gonna lay there with us right now.
She's a good girl.
But so here's Sunstreaker, and as you can see, Sunstreaker's bigger in his robot mode. I mean, it's kind of hard to tell, but he is bigger. Look at the size, just the size of their heads. I mean, Sunstreaker's head's huge compared. So very small robot mode, and that's quite a shame because he becomes Megatron, or he was Megatron. So it's quite a shame to see him kind of ruined in that aspect. If you ask me, he's much smaller, and he should be at least the same size as the. She wants me to pet her.
She's such a baby. Come on. Oh, she's knocking stuff over. Get. Aww. She just misses me. That's what it is. Okay, get your butt out the way.
Okay, scoot back. There we go. So that's pretty much it. I'm kind of distracted, so I apologize. And people are gonna bitch at me because this is the first look at Galvatron, and my cat shows up. So overall, very kibbly in the back section, and it keeps coming undone. So he's got a big giant booster pack here, and that just kind of ruins it for me in my honest opinion. So, can I recommend them? Yeah. Only if you really want them, I suppose. But so to go ahead and transform them, it's a little bit more of a pain in the ass. So you want to drop the head down and fold that section right back up. And then replace the arm by bending it at the shoulder, lifting this little flap, lift that up, and then you can rotate that, tuck the hand back underneath, rotate it, and it pops off again. I mean, that's a real problem with me. I hope the other ones are better, but the ball joint on this one sucks. Giant penis. So, alright, we're replacing that. That just kind of folds in, like so. Then you want to rotate the waist. Then when you do that, you're going to rotate and rotate and rotate. There's a lot of rotating with this section. And you just gotta make sure that you get the treads on the outside, like so. And then you can kind of fold it up like that. So again, you rotate, separate this section here from it, slide that section out, kind of fold this up, then come around here to the back and just fold this down just to kind of get this up off the way. Slide the arm, the cannon up, and kind of put that on the top. Fold down this piece in the back here, just again kind of get this out of the way. Best thing to do is really just kind of get everything where it's supposed to be and then tighten it as it goes, as you try to form it back into robot mode. So fold this right back up like so. So this is the general place where everything's going to be. Take the feet, fold them in, fold the feet in like so, rotate them, rotate them. This is kind of where you want everything to be. As you can see, he's almost pretty much in his tank mode right now. So just kind of make sure you push everything closer together. It lines up here nicely. Clips in there, clips in there. Feet kind of get in the way at times. Just kind of fold that section down, come around here to the back, fold that down, make sure that's lined up, and then you have to slot that in like so. Come around here to this side, slot that in, and that'll line that up. So you can do that like so. Then you got his arm. Again, you need to separate this bottom base, rotate the cannon, and it pops off of its ball joint. Of course, everything likes popping off, and the missile just fired. Pew! So, there we go. And then just slide that down. You kind of gotta wiggle this in. So, separated. Push that down. You have to wiggle that just to kind of get to line up on the inside. And then rotate it around. Take this guy, rotate this. You take the hand out. Rotating this all the way around. Fold that back up. And clip that into there. And there you guys have Transformers Classics 2.0 Universe. I don't know if you're supposed to say that one way or the other. Galvatron. Not a big fan of it. Kind of disappointed. But he's overall not a bad looking figure. Just the transformation can be kind of obnoxious at times. And the fact that this arm likes to pop off all the time. It's actually staying in there pretty good right now, but that's because I have part of it transformed wrong. This is I'm not going to worry about it. Screw it. But there you guys have them. Galvatron. And that's it, boys.